At Industrial Information System course from Faculdade de Ciências e Tecnologias da Universidade Nova de Lisboa, the implementation of an ERP system in a company was proposed. Become global through centralization. Become global, as this two image represents, is joining people around the globe. Centralization is, in another way, gather information and knowledge into a centralized database. For a global and central integration, one good solution is to implement an ERP system, an enterprise resource planning. The software used can be found at www.myerp.com. When logged into MyERP, several tasks to do with vendors, customers, and the company itself can be made. Purchase orders to satisfy raw material needs, register receiving notes, and manage quotes. Countless company-related activities can be registered. When dealing with customers, interactions such as sales orders and resulting actions are documented. The vendors and their respective raw materials. The customers. The products and service provided by Carlights Co. are inserted into database on myerp.com. The different departments of the company begin to be linked through a network system. To show the potential of ERP system implementation, a 5-week organization planning was developed. In first week, a new receiving node is introduced in the system. A supplier is chosen and a corresponding contact. We will pay due on receipt. Then the raw material received is added and the respective quantity. Some advanced options are available, like selecting created project, delivery and invoicing status. After to the receiving node, it is necessary to convert it to a vendor bill. Choose the right filters to find the corresponding receiving nodes and convert it to a bill. Click Done. To pay a vendor bill, search for the correct supplier bank account, choose the amount you want to pay and the time of payment. Click Done.
On second week, a new sales order was received. To register it, we need to search for the right customer and select the corresponding recipient. The final product is set as the International Transportation Service and the respective purchase quantity. The price is shown with a tax tribute. And click Done. The new sales order is sent to the warehouse converted in a picking list. Select the end date for the search and continue to the next page. Choose the corresponding sales order and launch a location in the warehouse. Done.
The sales order received last week has been delivered, so the picking list was converted in a delivery note. Apply the correct filters and convert the respective picking list to delivery note. Then, convert delivery note to invoices. Search the correct delivery note and convert it to invoice. Done. When a payment is received, it can be registered in the database. A order is selected and marked as paid. The amount received, payment method, and bank reference can be added. Done.
The company uses checks for workers' payments. Select employee, and search for the one that you want to pay. Set up the amount and select the Human Resources bank account. Payroll is the setup for the expense account. We are done. For a general company accounting record, consult the General Ledger report. Complete the necessary fields and print the report. It will open in a PDF file. Here is an example of the generated report. All the received payments must be deposited in the bank. Select both bank account and payment method, then search which payment is to be deposited. And it's done.
In the last week of this plan, the first thing to do is to check the inventory to see if we're short on any raw material. With these quantities, we need to make a purchase order to fulfill the next 5 weeks customer orders. To do a new purchase order, we need to select a supplier, add the recipient, choose payment terms, and add raw material in their respective quantities. And we're done. From previous phone calls, we have a new prospective customer, so we're going to enter a new lead. We fill some of the forms according to the information we have on the lead. And done. We just added a new lead.
In way of conclusion, ERP helps you understanding the interaction between inside departments of an organization and outside users. Helps you to manage your company in a simple and effective way. ERP software is a powerful tool in improving the competitiveness of an organization and the corresponding success. ERP Enterprise Resource Planning.